everybody. I had a delivery. I think this is my drone, but this box is very small. So when I saw the box, I'm like, what is it? But it is addressed to me. It's got the battery insignias on it, so let's get this baby opened up. This, I believe, all right. Can this be the drone? Does this come in 2 boxes? Okay, well, this is the box. I must have to put it together or something. This seems to be it. This is the drone. It's a lot smaller than I thought. I didn't think it was going to be so darn small. I mean, I did see it land in people's hands, but I don't know why I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger. This is the DJI NEO. I've been thinking about getting a drone for some time. And actually, if you watched the last video, my friend Kent and I, we were talking about it quite a bit. He has a DJI. I think he's got a different version. This is what we're looking at here. But this is the NEO. This can take off right out of your hand. Basically, you're going to turn it on, get it to do the different things that you want it to do. Just hold it out, it flies away. So let's see what else we got here. Now, I did get the combo pack. There are 2 different type of combo packs. Looks like they got some stickers, got some information, got a couple propellers, little dinky screwdriver so we can use the propellers. This should be the battery charger. It comes with 3 batteries. I thought 3 batteries would be a good start. And here's the charging cable. We're gonna get this baby charged up and give it a shot. I mean, this is, I have no experience with drones, to be honest with you. So this is gonna be a new one for me and a new one for you on my channel anyway. Maybe get you some views of some of these beautiful spots that I have an opportunity to go to, and maybe share these spots with you a little more. Let's get the battery installed here. You got to take this little cover off. There is an app on the phone that you can basically set this up for the parameters. You're gonna hit that once and then hold. You're gonna see those wings go. And then we're gonna choose what we want.
Droney.
Let's do a droney. This way it's gonna kind of look at me.
Circle. Rocket. Spotlight. Direction track. Follow.
Okay, so we're gonna try follow. We got an awful lot of trees here. Let's go a little further. Let's shut him down. I obviously don't know what I'm doing. All right, right now I'm just trying to turn it off. Okay, we have it off, thank goodness. All right, let's get you set up on a tripod so you get a better look at it, and we'll go from there and see what happens here. I'm gonna get you a little bit closer in the front yard there, where there's not as many trees. Let's come over here and we're gonna give it a shot. This is right out of the package. I started to do a little bit of stuff on my phone, but there's still a little more to do.
Medium. Follow. 3. Unable to take off. Aircraft in motion. Medium. Follow. 3. Unable to take off. Aircraft in motion.
Uh-oh.
Medium. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so it's following me. So we got the droney following us. I think we got to think of a name for this guy. What do you think? So he's staying kind of close to me. It's a little nerve-wracking when it's really close. So basically it's following me wherever I go. It would be kind of nice to be able to get my face in all the shots. Let's see if we can get this thing to land. All right, I actually had to reach up a little bit for it. But overall, I thought that was a pretty good test.
Droney.
Okay, this one's gonna be a droney.
Circle. Rocket. Spotlight. Direction track. Follow. Droney. 4 meters. Droney. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so we're only 4 meters on a droney, and there it goes. Oh, that's scary. So basically on a droney, it just kind of stays where it is, and I think it's coming right back. Pretty cool so far. So hopefully you're being able a chance to see this. So that's a droney. It's going to go up and take a picture back at you.
Circle.
All right, let's try a circle.
Rocket. Spotlight. Direction track. Follow. Droney. Circle. 2 meters. Circle. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so a 2 meter circle. We're going to see what this does now at this point. So it should circle out on me. Getting kind of close there. It's going right over your head. Well, thank goodness it didn't run into you. So it's basically circling me. Doesn't follow on these items. So it's a little different. Wow. So each time I'm trying it, I'm learning a little bit more.
Rocket.
Okay, now rocket can be a little scary. I think I'm going to bypass rocket.
Spotlight. Circle. Rocket.
All right, we're going to try rocket.
4 meters. Rocket. 3, 2, 1.
So it's getting up there pretty good. So it's pretty far up. That looks a lot more than 4 meters to me, and it's coming back down. You really got to rely on it coming back to you at this point. Come on, buddy. So I'm noticing I have to kind of walk to it a little bit. It'll come a certain point to me, and then I have to walk up to it. Let's try one more.
Spotlight.
All right.
Spotlight. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so this is spotlight now at this point. So hopefully it's taking a look at me pretty good. And it is following me, so it's keeping me face first. So this is what I really like. Because I wanted to be able to walk to it. Wow, it's really close. Hello. Let's see if it keeps up with me. Oh, it's kind of just staying where it is, but it is watching me. So this is just a little bit different. We got a really beautiful day for this, by the way. It's just going to pretty much stay where it is. The camera's going to stay on you. So I get to talk to you on the camera. Not sure if you're going to actually be able to hear me on this camera, but we'll find out. All right. Really, really nice. All right, we got one more to try. Ooh, I think we got some gnats on this thing.
Follow.
So we're going to go back to follow.
Droney. Circle. Rocket. Spotlight. Direction. Follow.
So if you want to change anything on this, you're going to have to go on the phone or your app and make those changes.
Medium. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
I'm going to bring you along here with me, and we're going to be able to see it following me. So pretty much anywhere I go, it's gonna follow me, get a picture of wherever we're going. I haven't made any settings. This is basically just out of the box. The only thing I did do is I activated it and registered it. So that's really the only thing that I did. And here it comes. Pretty cool, huh? All right. Let's go back and we'll try a rocket again.
Droney.
Okay, we're gonna go droney.
Droney. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so this is a droney and it's gonna go up. And it's got me right in the sun. This was not a good spot for a droney. So it's coming down, but it lost track of me. Kind of lost track of me. All right, so I allowed it to do a droney right into the sun, so we're gonna try it again.
4 meters. Droney. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, this way you're not in the sun so much, so you'll be able to get a better look at the drone. So right now this is 4 meters, which is about roughly 12 feet. And it's coming back. Oh, really coming right at me. So one thing I can say about this unit, you got to be careful it doesn't run into you. Because it does know you're there, but it doesn't have any like obstacle guidance.
Rocket. 3, 2, 1.
And you can see the camera turning. I mean, it's right over my head. Wow, that looks a lot more than 4. That is way up there. Here it comes. I put my hand out and it saw that my hand was out. I feel like the trick is you got to walk to it when you use these items. Let's try one more.
Spotlight. 3, 2, 1.
So I moved a little bit. I think I kind of threw it off a little bit. I like this item. If you're walking right to it, it's gonna watch you. If I'm walking away, I don't think it'll follow though. It'll stay right put where it is. Yeah, it stays where it is. We're gonna have to walk back to it. It does look at me. It does keep an eye on me. This would be kind of cool if we were on the boat and I could got to actually drive away from it. Nice, huh? That's the DJI NEO. We have a drone. We have a drone. So let's turn this thing off. It used 2 sections of battery, so I don't think that's too bad. We got a lot of shots on it. I'm kind of curious to see what the pictures look like. We're gonna get this thing hooked up, find out. DJI NEO. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like this video. This is just one of those videos trying things out. Shut this baby down. Turning it off is not easy. A little stubborn when it comes to turning it off. All right, I'm gonna try this again. I think if I hit the on off button, then the select button, it'll turn off. So let's try it again. We got a drone. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you on the next one.